Namaste and welcome. Today I'm going to channel some sound frequencies, and we will see if any other sound and light language codes come through or not. I don't know. Uh, this is a full moon in Aquarius, a full moon healing. You can consider this to be a meditation or just concentrate on the sounds, just enjoy the moment, be mindful of yourself, go within. And there is a theme to this full moon healing, and the theme is peace within. So just dive inside of you to find the peace within, the peace that is an inner thing, an inside thing that you cannot find anywhere outside. It is inside. If you have it inside of you, you can spread it outside too, but it has to come from within. So that's the basic theme, and we shall start. Find yourself a comfortable place to sit. I have some background sound with me today. It's raining outside, so with some natural sounds and some more light sounds, we shall start. Relax yourself, take 3 deep breaths, and each time you exhale, mentally say the word relax to yourself, and then breathe normal, slow, yet deep and gentle. I am going to turn my camera to this direction. All right. Así mortele e di se di ni la re ini e se ti di mo o se ne e le re di he se e re re ni ti e se ti ha la ni mo o se ti di he ri Así ti di ni la re ni he e se e ne ti re he la re e Así mo ti di ni la he la ha e te ni he se ti ni he o ti la re ni he re se ya ne ti re ri te ra ni ho si la re ti ha Así mordi la re di se te te ni la re la te a ne di se te o se te e te a o i ha ne te hey Así de ne te e se te ne o That is all for today. Have a great day. Drink lots of water and be at peace with yourself. The peace is within, remember. When you have peace inside you, no matter how much noise there is outside you, it will never matter to you. And when you have disturbance and troubled water inside your body, then wherever you go, you will always be looking for peace. There will be no peace. No matter how silent your environment is, still there will be turmoil inside you. So find that peace inside you first, because it is there. Sometimes it's hiding. So look for the peace inside and then grow from there, build, expand, not just your peace, expand your aura, expand yourself, evolve each day. That's the message for today. Namaste.